I was just sent this 48 megapixel digital camera. I'm gonna give this to my daughter. She's gonna open it up and we're gonna check this thing out. But this is amazing. It has so many features on this camera. Now in here, we have a carrying case. You can recharge it. And I love, it actually comes with an SD card and it has the little port that you can put the SD card in and then be able to put it into the computer to then read the pictures, or you can just plug this directly into the computer. Let's get the camera out and we will check that out. So here's the actual camera and it has a cleaning cloth in there, along with your instruction guide. I'm gonna bring you in here close so we can take a look at the camera and then we are gonna take some pictures. So here's the camera up close. It is a 16 times zoom, which is amazing. It's got a nice carrying handle here that you can just put that on your wrist. On the top, you've got your power button and the picture taking button. So when you turn that on, it makes a nice audible noise so you can hear that it is on. You have your playback function, your settings, and then you have all of your modes and everything through here, whether it's your flashlight. This thing has 8 different scenes that you can create the different scenes on here. It can auto detect whether somebody's smiling, and then you can go in and say, I want to take the picture as soon as they smile. This thing records in 1080p, so you can actually change this, like right here, you see the record. Here is all of your different settings through here, setting your date and time. It has the anti-shake, so if you do have somebody that is moving around quite a bit, it also helps with all of that. And then you can filter back around to your camera, your flash, and here's your zoom in and zoom out. So we are gonna take some pictures. So when you push down on the actual shutter button, then it takes your pictures. So here, let's get some other pictures of our puppy. All right, so we are going to take a video mode now. And whenever you do that, you click go. See that red right at the top? It turns on and that lets you know that it is now recording. Now on the top right there, there is a microphone. So here is our video here. So it's got really great quality. Now she was covering up the microphone a little bit, so it's a little muffled, but the quality of this is really great. I love how it is easy to use. It's got all the different scenes, and this thing is super lightweight. It only weighs 1/4 pound. So that is awesome. It's a nice little camera to give as a gift or to use it as you're out.